Hello, this is Brad Harvey with Harvey Investment Management and our third quarter 2025 market update. Certainly we've seen a lot of things going on this year. The markets overall are doing very well. I personally think they're overvalued, but I've thought that all year. So they're more overvalued. We'll see if earnings come in and make things better, and we'll see if the economy continues to roll. Unemployment hasn't been a big problem, inflation hasn't been a big problem, so it's been rolling along. Go capitalism. In the third quarter of 2025, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 5.24%, taking them up just under 9% year to date. The other large cap index, the S&P 500 for the third quarter, was up 7.81% or 1365 year to date. The tech index, the NASDAQ 100, pretty much dominated by technology companies, up 8.83% in the third quarter and up 1744 year to date. Big numbers. The broad market index, the Russell 3000 for the third quarter, was up 791, bringing them up 1331 year to date, and the small cap index, rounding out the US, up 12% in the third quarter, very strong, but only 9.25 year to date. So it certainly has trailed the other US stock market indexes. On the non-US side, the foreign large cap index was up 4.45% and year to date up 23.49. Little tailwind with the dollar falling off. Foreign emerging markets up 10.7% in the third quarter and up 27.69 year to date. In the bond market, we saw bond yields trending down a little bit more. The 10-year yield was down 1.94% in the third quarter and down 9.29 year to date. Now remember, that's a percentage change number. At the end of last year, the 10-year Treasury yield was a little over 4.5%, and right now it's going out at about 4.15. The long Treasury index for the third quarter, now this is the index value, was up 1.27% or 2.34 year to date. Doesn't include the yield, and so yields fell a little bit, making those bond values go up slightly. On the real estate investment trust side, up 2.65% in the third quarter, but only 2.63 year to date, so not much going on there. On the commodity side, this is where the action is. In the third quarter, the broad commodity index was up 3.3% and 5.38 year to date. But gold, this is our champion. In the third quarter, gold was up 16.6% and year to date up 46.79. At the same time, oil actually fell a little bit, down 3.76% and year to date down 12.94. Remember, at the end of last year, gold was at $71.82 a barrel and it closed out the quarter at $62.53. The dollar index actually went up a little bit in the third quarter, a little over 1%, but still down almost 10% year to date. Inflation remains muted around 2.8%. So we will see. As you view this video, we're going to know whether or not the government did shut things down. This is the end of the third quarter. Certainly that was dominating the news cycle. And we will see if the market continues to roll during this seasonally strong period into the rest of the year. So this is Brad Harvey with Harvey Investment Management with the third quarter 2025 market update. Thanks for tuning in.